Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show how to redeem promo code on Pocket FM. Whether you want free coins, beep access or discounts on episodes, this is the easiest step-by-step guide. Let's get started. The first step is open the Pocket FM apps and websites. Here you can see the Pocket FM audio series or stories. On your Android or iPhone, make sure you are logged in to your account either with Google, Apple ID or email. Promo codes can only be applied when you are logged in. And here is the promo code websites, and here you can log in on promo code. Now tap to the profile icon in the bottom right corner, and here you can see this. After entering the code, hit apply or redeem. You should see a confirmation message that your reward has been added, whether it's coins, VIP access or credits. Now you can go back and use these coins to unlock premium episode, completely audiobooks or get ad free access. And that's it. That's how you redeem a promo code on Pocket FM in 2012. Super simple. Enjoy your free coins or VIP times and explore thousands of audiobooks, thrillers and romantic series. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite Pocket FM studio. I will replay more promo codes. Thanks for watching.